Hello friends! Today we learn to make healthy and tasty cookies. So let's begin. So first we'll take 5 tablespoons olive oil. Then we'll add half cup grinded sugar. And we'll mix it well. And now we'll add 5 tablespoons Sooji. Half cup desiccated coconut. One cup wheat flour. Now a pinch of baking soda. Vanilla essence. And now we'll make a soft dough of it by adding milk in it. So now our dough is ready, and now we'll make the cookies. So I have taken a plate and I'll grease it with butter. And now we'll make the cookies. So now our cookie shapes are ready, and now we'll decorate it with some choco chips. Slime is ready, and now we'll use jam. We'll make a hole. And put the jam. And now we'll decorate it with some pista. So now our cookies are ready, and now we'll bake it. So now we'll bake the cookies, and firstly we'll heat the pan for at least 7 minutes and bake the cookies for 15 to 20 minutes. And this process will be done by my mother. So So guys, our mouth-watering cookies are ready and I can smell it. It's very tasty. So make these cookies at your home and stay safe. Bye.